Straight up car crash right here. Hope somebody's dead. No, that's mean.
Oh, sure.
Look at this. That's crazy.
That blocked off.
God damn it, Dad. Why'd you go in that lane?
I have to.
Look at this. Buddy stops. Go.
I would if I could.
Just talking to that, buddy. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but there's Amish people over there. Whole bunch of hurt people. Let's go sell some fruit. Big old car crash.
Yeah, I'd say.
Fire truck's moving in my way. Get out of here. Hey! 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 Hey!
He's not listening to you.
I'm gonna stab him. In his urethra. It's gonna kill my phone too, probably.
Okay, by the time we make it up there,
Yeah.
it's gonna be dead.
Just like people. Ooh. Crunch.
Is there any blood?
I don't know.
I wanna see blood. Blood makes car crash. Oh, there's a chick walking around. She looks all shocked and stuff. She's like, oh man, that happened to me. What happened? Am I dead?
Where am I?
This is how fast we're going. 0. You cops suck. Whoa, look at all that dirt and dirt. Look at it all. Yeah, what a ass. Look at it all. Crunch. Keisha, stop taking pictures. Videos are so cool there. Oh, ambulance and stuff. Dead people? No, there's no dead people. Oh!
Why?
Head on, yo!
How did that happen?
Head on!
How did that happen?
Head on! Still recording.
Where was he going?